how to make a flavorful chai tea. Add 1.5 cups of water. Crush 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, and 1 cinnamon stick. You can also add the cinnamon stick directly to the boiling water. Once water boils, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and add crushed spices as well. 1 teaspoon sugar, and you can adjust this to taste. Then add 2 black tea bags while boiling, and a 1/2 cup of whole milk. I add whole milk because it's thicker and best for the chai tea. Then strain. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.